you have to pull the engine out of the car. And now the big cast with all the other stuff that's been crammed under here. So that's where we're at. And here's the element. The louder is power. Yeah. That's adjustable. I think fire it up and let's hear it, and then I'm going to close it off of there, and then we'll listen to it again. All right. The way this muffler works is that it's got a bunch of discs behind this plate. The more